Milestone processors are the best I've ever used. I have never had to reprocess a block in all my years of using Milestone processors, and that includes the Pathos Delta, as well as the Logos and the EVO. This includes mastectomy specimens as well as lipomas. It has been absolutely amazing, the consistent quality of all the specimens that come out of the processor. I am very confident in the quality of the tissue that the EVO puts out. Not only am I confident in it, but when we submit stained tissue specimens to CAP for grading, we consistently get the highest marks that they put out. Excellent quality, reliable processing every time.
Colorado Skin Pathology, we are known for our quality, and that's what we want from our specimens, and that's what we expect for our dermatopathologists. We started looking at the procurement process even before the laboratory started, and we looked at all the big names. It came down to really the cost per processing, and the Milestone actually was far and away a better cost per specimen to be able to process. And then there was also the added features that we really needed along the way too. Being able to ramp up production over time, being able to do batches. And then the biggest thing I think was the application team support. They were great to be able to come in, work with us, not just remotely, but also hands-on here in the lab. And we really utilize that expertise to be able to figure out the best possible processing.
The consistent and excellent processing quality that I get off my Milestone processors really makes validation of new IHC stains easier to perform. The ability to just reliably have a great product at the beginning simplifies everything downstream. The EVO's ability to add flexibility into our processing schedule is a real advantage to our laboratory. We could get a specimen out realistically from receipt to embedding in about 2 hours and 15 minutes. If a doctor calls us and asks if we can do something, I can just say yes. I know we can do it. One of the things I really like about the Milestone processors, especially the EVO, is the ability to use standard reagent bottles. The convenience of just taking a bottle off the shelf and swapping it with a used reagent bottle is amazing. In addition, the reagent management system helps us extend the life of all of our reagents and reduces the amount of time that our technicians need to spend replacing reagents, as well as the amount of reagents that we need to use, saving us money. One of the most user-friendly features is that we don't need to use xylene in our processing. Technicians aren't exposed to those hazardous chemicals, really being able to reduce everyday exposure. Milestone's been great with supporting us. They've been able to keep us running. We have never had downtime because of something minor. Whenever we do have an issue, we can just call the number on the side of the machine and it goes directly to a technician that can help us. We've never been left hanging because of an issue.
Overall, the ability for us to process, the ability for us to provide a safe environment, to provide reliable processing for the laboratory, those are the biggest components that really help with our decision to go with Milestone. I just don't feel like we would have been able to get that from another company. We felt like we weren't going to be able to get the same level of support, nor would we actually have the same amount of runtime reliability that we've had over this many years.
I would highly recommend looking into Milestone's line of processors. They have really, really quality, great processors.